Yeah.
Yeah. So not bad.
Yes.
Okay.
And hopefully more might join.
More might join. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. My first question I'm asking through the poll. Are you attending today for the first time? I want to see how many people are coming for the first time. Okay. Yes. No. Yesterday I attended. Okay. Right. I'm going to save this and then go to this poll. Yeah, I'm going to launch one question now. Are you attending today for the first time? Just answer that. Okay, let me see how many people are first timers today.
So I think it may not be a bad idea to just spend 5 minutes explaining to the newcomers.
Yes, what
I
happened
think
yesterday?
the main theme was why people fail, and I think you
Hmm,
can quickly elaborate on that. And
right.
5 minutes they can come up to date about what we discussed yesterday.
Yeah,
Why people fail? I think that was the main
point. Yes.
point yesterday. So we can then you can
Hmm,
take it up from there.
done. So we have now 37 people out of 50 who have responded. So I'd like to just get another about 5 or 6 and then I'll end the poll. Okay, another 5 or 6 need to answer them. And then it'll give me an idea as to what percentage of people are first timers today. Okay, fair enough. I think we have got about 40 out of 50 people responding. 40 out of 51 they have responded. So let me show you the result. Okay. So we have 63% of people who are attending for the second time. That is, yesterday they have attended. 38% of this group is now attending for the first time, which means almost close to around 15 to 18 people are first timers. Okay. So I'll quickly brief you. One thing is, let me tell you that this recording, yesterday's recording, is available in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to put my YouTube channel in the chat box. So please make a note of this. This I'm going to put it on everyone's this thing, and then you can note down this. Later on, after this today's session, go back to that session, YouTube channel, subscribe, and then view my yesterday's recording. It is there already available. Okay, this is the link. Please copy and paste it separately in your notepad or something, and then later on, you go and see this. And like Mr. Rakesh suggested, that I'll quickly tell you. Yesterday's main topic was introduction happened between who are all coming from which part of the country and all that. We had reasonably almost about a 50-50 kind of a range, wherein we had some 40-50% from Delhi NCR region, and then we had the balance crowd from rest of the country. We had even people from Bangalore and Chennai, and other side Bhopal, then Madhya Pradesh, then Uttar Pradesh, then Delhi NCR, and then South India. So almost a mixed crowd. Even Maharashtra was there. A mixed crowd was there yesterday. So that was the initial interaction that we had. Then later on, I introduced myself, and Mr. Rakesh Kular, him also, he introduced himself as to what is our background, where are we coming from, and all that. So for those first timers, I'm telling you that I have got about 18 years of rich experience in real estate industry. I have seen from zero level, and I've seen ups and downs of this real estate industry. I have seen the peak of money earning, in real estate, and I've also seen total slump in the initial stages. But once that initial stages slump happened, then I went into learning mode. I went to an organization, joined as a normal realtor for a commission basis, though I was a vice president of a large IT company where I had nearly about 800 people working under my leadership. Despite that, I put down all my egos down. I said real estate is a new industry altogether. I need to learn, so I need to have some sort of a brand support. And I went and joined a company which had a very good branding, and they had excellent training module. They taught me very well. Okay, but the role of they never give you one single lead, and they never give you one single customer. Okay, they will not give you one customer and one inventory also. You have to identify inventory yourself. You have to identify customer yourself for that inventory. Okay, but what they will tell you is they will teach you how to find inventory and how to find customer. These two things they will tell you. Okay, if you follow that system and then obey that and then start blindly following that, then you will succeed. So in 1.5 years time, the commission structure that was sharing was, despite my identifying the property myself, and I identify the customer myself, I do the closing myself, right? Everything is done by me, but I get only 25% of the brokerage that I used to earn from the deal from both sides. So seller will give 2%, buyer will give 1%, put together 3%. This 3%, 75% will go to the company, 25% only used to come to me. Okay, despite this kind of low sharing module, I still stuck to that company for about 1.5 years. Okay, because I wanted to learn. And in that 1.5 years, my personal earning was about 22.5 lakhs. Okay, which means I have almost given 1 crore of brokerage to the company. Okay, but which means around close to around 75 lakhs I have given to the company. For what? For what reason? They taught me how to find customer, how to find inventory. These two things. That's all. Okay, these two things in a beautiful, mechanical, excellent manner. Okay, but from then onwards, then I mean, apart from that, the teaching was in terms of, okay, how do you handle the customer? How do you make sure that the customers visit the project when they commit to you that yes, I'm coming, right? How do they do that? This is something, some learning I had from them. Then how do you make sure that the buyer who is coming, is he a genuine buyer or is he a fake buyer? Fake buyer in the sense window shopper. There are a lot of people who will be coming just to see property, explore, exploit your time, because you are available free. Real estate agents are all available free, so they will exploit the time of real estate agents, and then they make them run around. And then after that, after the site visit, when they will start making phone calls, they will not receive the phone calls also, and they will not message you back. Okay, so this is the normal tendency which everyone today are facing. I'm sure that in this group, almost about 70-80% of the group will agree to me that yes, this is what is happening even to me, because this is happening because you really have not learned the way how you should handle the customers, how you should find genuine customers. Okay, this learning was there. Because of this reason, I had to give them 75 lakhs in 1.5 years time. Okay, later on, I came out of that, and I've been in the real estate business since then, and I have reached pinnacle of heights in real estate business. Even during pandemic, this corona episode, all these things are happening. My business has never come down. Even during demonetization, when there was so much of problem outside in the country, everyone facing problem, everyone saying that I'm not able to sell properties, I never faced problem. I still made my good money during that period. Okay, even now I'm making good money during for this real estate business, despite people out in the market are saying, where can we sell properties? How are we able to sell properties? Okay, but I have a secret mantra, which is what actually I'm going to teach you. That is why this 3-day program is being organized. So yesterday, the reason for this was discussed. Subsequently, I gave a reason as to why 85% of the agents, real estate agents, fail in their business. What kind of mistakes that they are making. Okay. It is a detailed learning. You need to go, because it was about nearly 1 hour 15 minutes is what I've spoken. Now, if I have to cut short that 1 hour 15 minutes into 5 minutes part, I'll only give you mota points for you to understand. The rest of the things, you go to that video and see that. Okay. What is that mota points? Mota point of points is, if you people, if the real estate agents are thinking that they can do business on their own without anybody's help, right? Without anybody's guidance, without a proper training, without proper education, right? Then they are in for a big surprise. They will only lose money. They will not be able to win the battle. Okay. This is 100% sure. I can write it in a stamp paper and give you. Anybody coming into the real estate business and without formal education, without the kind of training that if they undergo and then they start doing business, they are bound to fail. In less than 2 years' time, they will wind up, they will pack up their bags, they will go and search for a job. Okay, they will not be able to earn money. Okay, it is real, it is here, it is proven, because it requires, you see, the money that you are going to earn is not 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. It is not 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. You are going to see 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore of money. Do you think this kind of money will come aram se for anybody and everybody? Aram se nahi aayenge. Okay. So this money, if you have to earn, right, you should definitely get into a proper training module. You should be guided by a very good brand which is well experienced in the real estate business, and that is where we come into the role. Okay. So that is what I'm going to define, tell you that why. Just because I'm conducting, I'm not telling you. I'm telling you from my personal experience. Imagine me being a VP of a company, getting into, I had a 1,000 square feet area, big room with an attached bathroom and a private restroom for me. That's the kind of lifestyle I was leading. In spite of that, when I wanted to become a realtor, I shut down all my ego and just got into one cubicle of just 4 by 8. Okay, one small workstation with one telephone in hand, and I had my own laptop. Okay, I used that and worked for somebody, some other organization, and giving 75% of my share to them. Why? Because I wanted to learn about real estate. This is what I did, and that learning has been a strong foundation. After that, constructing the building was not a problem at all, because the foundation was so strong, the training was so strong. After that, there is no question of me losing business. We have got fabulous response today. 72 people have joined. Very thankful to you. A warm welcome to all of you. I'm sure now I'll relaunch that poll and just want to know how many of you are now, first timers, because 72 people have come yesterday, more than yesterday's. So I'm going to relaunch that poll. Just wanted to see how many now are newcomers, first timers. Are you attending today for the first time? Those who have answered, please repeat that. No problem. Now I'll get a total take now. 50-50, 40-50. I would like to see.
It's a present to hear. I'm a first time.
Yeah, first time is it? Oh, Sridhar, Ajay Kumar.
Yes.
Okay. Have I seen you earlier, Ajay Kumar?
No. This is first time just seen in WhatsApp. So that I came back to this meeting. Just I want to hear first time. I want to train this regarding this. Actually, I'm interested, but I'm doing an IT company job. So just I want to see how he's going to training. I'm interested first thing.
Okay. Now, have you answered this point, this question?
Yeah.
You have answered.
Yes.
Okay, no, 51 out of 71 people have answered. In that, 41% are first timers today. 59% are repeats that yesterday they have attended already. Okay, great. I think I should end the poll by now. Thank you so much for responding. You can see the results I'm sharing with you. 41% are first timers, 59% are repeats. Okay, stopped the sharing. So primary number one is, if a doctor can do an investment of 30 lakhs, go through a 5 years of difficult study, After that, he undergoes training under a leading doctor for 2 to 3 years, right? Which means 5 plus 2 plus 3. I mean, 5 plus 2 plus 1, let's say 8 years. Anywhere between 7 to 8 years, he spends time, okay, in learning about doctor job. Then subsequently, he opens a clinic or he goes into a big hospital like Apollo, Fortis and all that and becomes a consultant of that hospital, okay? And then he starts earning lakhs and crores of money. If a doctor can spend so much of time, right? Do you think that a real estate agent can see an income what a doctor is earning? Is it possible? Yes, no. Is
No,
it
sir.
possible? No,
No,
it's not possible.
no,
It's
not
not-
without learning. Not without
Ah,
learning.
Not without learning
Yes,
is fine.
possible,
Is possible? Possible, yes.
possible.
Possible to earn more than the doctors. Okay, it is possible to earn more than the doctors, but you need to go through proper training.
Yes, sir.
Real estate has got an opportunity for you to earn big money. Okay, there are people who have earned, Google, Sundar Pichai is earning around 1 crore a month, right? And, that kind of money is seen even in real estate. I'm talking about brokers, real estate agents who are earning that kind of money. It's possible. And what is his formal education? If you see academic education, he has passed 10th standard. Okay, but he can come into real estate business and he can see this kind of money, provided he knows how to do this business. That's the kind of opportunity you have here. But in this industry, there are only 10 to 15% of people who are successful. 80 to 85% of the people have failed, are failing also, because they think that the moment a customer calls and he says, I want to see a property, then he shows a property of that one choice that he has got, and he expects this customer to buy this property, and he thinks that I can get job, I can get this done, 2-3 lakhs. Ek deal hone do. I've seen people, in this market, they will be sitting in a chai shop, okay, and in the chai shop, a group of real estate agents will be sitting there, and they will be discussing. What they will be discussing is, अरे यार अभी वो 50 करोड़ का जो लैंड है ना, वो ये डील होने दो यार, मुझे मेरा जिंदगी बन जाएगा, मेरा लाइफ सेटल हो जाएगा. दूसरा, one more person is talking, अरे तुम्हारा 50 करोड़, मेरे पास 300 करोड़ का है लैंड, 300 करोड़ का लैंड है भाई, वो जेवी अगर मिल गया ना, एक डील 1 साल लगने दो, उसके पीछे मैं लगा देता हूं, 1 साल लगने दो, ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बट वो करके ही रहूंगा, अगर हो गया तो मेरा लाइफ सेटल हो गया. He is also talking. Who are the people sitting in a chai stall? 2 people are talking about this, a conversation is going on like this, and out of that, one person is having a BD in his mouth, right? And he is wearing an Hawaii chappal, उसका बाल गिर सब ठीक से, ग्रूमिंग भी नहीं हुआ है, राइट, और चाय पी रहे हैं और 300 करोड़ का बिजनेस की बात कर रहे हो. ओके, टेल मी सर, honestly tell me, can this man do a deal of 300 crores?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
बट ये हो रहा है कि नहीं? ऐसा डिस्कशन गपशप हो रहा है कि नहीं?
So very true.
गपशप हो रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See, funny thing is that he doesn't realize that the customer who is going to come and buy for 300 crore worth of land, is he going to deal with you first of all?
No, not at all.
He will not deal. Then why you have this kind of an expectation? Where are you dreaming? Why are you dreaming like this? But the same person, okay, if he is well groomed, right? Pant, shirt, shoes, well groomed, okay, and he joins a company of standard like Remax, and then he says, I am from Remax and I would like to help you. You know why the customer comes to you? Not because you as an individual are telling you like that. He is going to think about you and Remax. Remax is an international broking company which has got about nearly 8,000 offices in the world, 118 countries it is present, okay, and 1,35,000 agents are networked with this group. So the customer gets an opinion that, okay, Remax is there for the last 43 years, 1973, 47 years, not 43, 47 years. 1973 it started, and Remax is a world-known organization. It keeps claiming that it is the #1 largest real estate seller in the world. Okay, there is no other match to Remax company. It is not one of the largest. It is the largest, because when you have 1,35,000 agents and each agent is selling on an average 17 properties a year, right? Please calculate 1,35,000 into 17. How much it comes to? More than about 22 lakhs property. 22 lakh property sales in one single year. Who is doing it? Which developer is doing it? Is there any developer also who matches this kind of numbers? There is no one. So this is the backing that this company has got. So if that person talks about a 300 crore property, it makes sense. We have closed a recent deal in Hyderabad, which is worth around 300 crores. Just about in this pandemic time, if I have that person with me, I can make him also talk. Utpal, are you there by any chance in this meeting? No. So he is one of my BA. This person is now currently dealing with a person in Goa for a 36 crores, hotel deal with property. Property and business is for sale. There is a final sitting is happening, right? 36 crores. This is the kind of business that we can think of doing in Remax, because we are representing that kind of a brand. And this is what you people should realize, that brand now today is going to play a very, very vital role. In the past, even a barber or a laundry person or a watchman or an ironing istri wala, everybody were into real estate business, because एक घर अगर खाली हो गया तो मैसेज मिल जाएगा कोने पे, रास्ते में मिल जाएगा. Okay, one truck आ गया, so सामान सब भर रहा है, so everybody will know that there is a place which is going for rent or it is getting sold. So he in turn will go and start marketing that and getting it. Buyers also used to believe that earlier, but today buyers are not believing. Because क्यों? Because real estate में बहुत सारा धोखा खा लिया उन्होंने. Like under construction projects, okay, complete नहीं हुआ है, पैसा फंसा हुआ है, right, refund नहीं मिल रहा है, deals नहीं हो रहा है. So ये सब होने के बाद buyers are now very, very cautious, and they would like to go to a brand. अगर आप ही सोच लो कि अगर आपको एक शर्ट खरीदना है, आजकल कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? लोकल शॉप जा रहे हो या कोई ब्रांडेड शॉप जाएंगे आप? शॉपर स्टॉप, मैक्स शोरूम, या वहां जाएंगे या लोकल शॉप में जाएंगे? Gone are the days people are believing this thing. सलून, अगर बाल कटवाना है आपको, कहाँ जाएंगे आप? लैक्मी के पास जाएंगे या ग्रीन ट्रेंड्स के पास जाएंगे, या तो नेचुरल्स, या तो जावेद हबीब. 700-800 रुपया कमाते हैं वो एक हेयर के बाल कटने के लिए. क्यों? 700-800 रुपया वन बाल कटने के लिए. 50 रुपए में हो जाते हैं लोकल ब्रोकर में, लोकल बार्बर शॉप में. 50-60 रुपए दे के आप बाल कटवा सकते हो, राइट? बट फिर भी आप लोग वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? बिकॉज माइंड ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहा है अभी. ट्रेंड इज नाउ चेंजिंग. It is gone are the days where they were depending on the local people and all that. Now it is not like that, because वैसे के बात है, अपने लाइफ की जिंदगी की बात है. Now especially after this corona and all that, they are going to definitely depend only on trusted brand. Oh, trusted
Now
brand.
the developer profile is also changing. Only the who's who of the corporate world is coming into the construction business.
Correct. No, even the private builders are all, you see, they are all going. They are all dying. Okay, only the branded builders are going to be respected now. If that is the case, then
Tata,
Godrej, Tata, and new people have started coming. HDFC Reality, all these people are getting into Imami powder cosmetic wale, wo to developer ban gaye abhi. Kyun? Because brand is there. They want to capitalize on the brand. Imami, sabko malum hai. Imami, Godrej, they were not in the real estate at all. They also came into real estate. Why? Because they have a good brand.
Tata.
So Tatas were not into this. They have come into brand. So why is this happening? Because buyers ko kya ho gaya abhi? They want trust. They want a brand. So if you have brands, then if you are associated with the brand, then you have chances of winning. Okay, individually, if you are able to do 1 lakh by joining a brand, even if you share 50% of your commission with the brand, even then you can still earn 3 times to 4 times what you have been earning as an individual. So that is the power. So I was telling about all these things yesterday. Now today, I'm going to touch on how you can find buyers, because this is something like yesterday I had committed that I will teach you on how to find genuine customers and all that, right? I'm going to tell you about that. How do we find genuine customers? So let me open my screen and then start sharing. So yesterday we had discussed about are you really ready for real estate business? So I had not gone deep into that. Today I'm going to tell you that there are 2 markets that you should concentrate on. One is the secondary market. In a place like Delhi, okay, and in a place like Mumbai and all that, on secondary market you should have minimum of 200 properties. अरे 200 properties क्यों? इतना क्यों? इन्वेंटरी तो रहना चाहिए आपके पास, एक्सेल शीट में रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये CRM में रहना चाहिए. To 200 property, not that you are going to sell 200 properties, but you need to have stock. आप सोच लो अगर आप कुछ भी साड़ी या शर्ट या कुछ भी खरीदेंगे तो when you go to a shop, are you going to see huge number of stocks there or not? If you don't see that number of stocks, then you will feel that this seller is not a good seller. Okay, you will not go to him. You want to see stocks. Okay, you may buy only one t-shirt from him, but you need to see about almost about 1,000 t-shirts available there. If that is not there, then you will not be interested in buying. This is the human psychology. Similarly, buyer के पास अगर buyer को मालूम है, so you have nearly about 200 inventories, more than 50 inventories, more than 100 inventories. He is going to believe that ये बंदा तो I think he must be there for a long time in the business. So इन्हीं के पास जाना पड़ेगा. So he will treat you as a consultant. He will start asking you advice. Now you see all the people who are saying real estate agent,